In this video, I'll show you how to print file from Google Drive. This video is only for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if I can be able to print a file from Google Drive, let me say a document or like something that you posted on Google Drive that you love to print out, you need a printer. So I would advise you to do this on your computer. So if you have a laptop, if you have a MacBook, I would advise you to do this on your computer. So open up your Google Drive. So let's say if I would love to print, let me say one of my documents. Okay, this time I'm going to just click on this three-dotted icon. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to be able to see the print option. So click on it. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So just wait for it. I'll give it very few minutes for it to load up. So remember I told you you're going to be able to need a printer for this. So select your printer, select how many copies you want. Select the paper size. It can be A3, A4, B5, any of this. So I think the best for this is A4. So go back, the layout, you come on here, select it, right? So once you're done, if your printer is connected, you're going to be able to see the print option. So this is it. So click on this print, it's going to print for you here on your Google Drive. If you're using your PC for this, it's going to work out well for you. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.